Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to let you know what's been going on. I have not been on for a while. And in my last video I had asked you to pray for my hubby, that he was going through something. Well, and I said it wasn't that. Well, it turned out to be that. So he got treatment at the hospital. They put something in his IV. And he improved so quickly, and I did not catch it. So I just want to praise God and thank God. I've been thanking him like, I don't know how many times a day. So now I'm back. He's back at work. Yay. All right. So I have some happy mail I want to show you guys. I'm always excited when I get happy mail. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you. Look at this cute sticker. Isn't that so cute? This is a card from Ella at No Catchy Name. And of course, everyone who has a channel, I will definitely link below. Look at how adorbs this is. Oh my goodness. So cute. Thank you, Ella. So Ella wrote, "Hi Darla, have a Merry Christmas full of love and yarn." Ella, No Catchy Name. Thank you so much, Ella. I know this took a long time to get from you in the United States to me in Canada. It took a long time, but I got it, and I thank you so much for thinking of me. And the next one, this is like a foam sticker on this one, and this is from Tracy at I Love Loopy Crochet and Treasures. This is the beautiful card. Thank you so much, Tracy. This one took a long time to come as well. Look at, isn't that neat? That is so cool with all the buttons on there. So cool. Thank you so much, Tracy. Tracy wrote, "Darla, I hope you and family have a very Merry Christmas and a very blessed New Year. Thank you so much for being a yarny friend. I love spending time with you on your channel. Love you bunches." I love you too, Tracy, and I love your channel. I see you put up a new video. I have to watch that one. Then she wrote, "Yarny hugs and love, Tracy. I love Loopy." So she's I Love Loopy Crochet and Treasures here on YouTube, and I will, of course, link her channel below as well. Thank you so much. And I'm praying for a blessed new year for you too, Tracy. Okay. So the next one is from Angela. Now, Angela is she's in Canada here, where I live. She's at My Precious Yarnery. And Angela, it was funny. We got a tiny little calendar in the mail, and it's just from one of the political people here. And so I gave it to hubby, and I didn't have one for myself, and then this came. Thank you so much, Angela. My Precious Yarnery 2022 calendar. It says here, "Made with love. We are winging it here." So this is really going to come in handy. I'm going to put it right in my area here, so I know what date it is every day. Thank you so much, Angela. I really appreciate this. This is so nice. Okay, now we have a couple of packages. All right, one of them is from the lovely Terry. Now, Terry sent me something in October that I have not gotten yet. It's very, well, it's not that strange, actually, with Christmas and everything else. But I'm hoping to still get it. She sent another package after that to see how long it would take. And I'm not sure how long it took. How long did it take, Terry? A couple of weeks from England? This is England to Canada. All right, so she sent me this beautiful, beautiful yarn. Oh my goodness. You know, I don't have a lot of of, I think this is white, or is this an off-white? See, this envelope looks white, and this looks kind of creamy. I don't have a lot of light colors in my stash. So thank you so much, Terry. She sent me 4 of these. It says So Crafty. It's 100% acrylic, 100 grams, approximately 300 meters. Color number is K013. And let's see, what else does it say? Oh, it says double knit yarn, so that means a DK, which is a 3-weight, and I love 3-weight. Yes, so thank you. Oh, ecru, that must be the color. Ecru. So it's like an off-white, I guess. Creamy, kind of, I don't know. But, oh my goodness, this is so soft. And like I said, she gave me 4. Thank you so much, Terry. There's a lot in here with 300 meters. Oh, piece of the box on there. So that's a lot. I could make something spectacular. I do hope I still get that other box because, you know, it takes effort and, you know, somebody's thinking about you and they're sending you something. They want you to have it and enjoy it. And then it doesn't show up. That's happened twice with me. A package I sent to Scotland never got there. And the person I sent it to, they had sent me 2 packages that I never got. So I've been waiting probably a year and a half. I really don't think I'm going to get them. But I hope I get Terry's. She sent the other one the end of October. So there's still a chance, right? All right, so the next one is from, this one is from Crystal at Crystal's Cool Stuff. She just started a channel not too long ago. And she has different things on her channel. She's a crocheter, but she also just put up a video, which I shared to my community tab, of how to protect yourself, you know, physically if someone happens to try to attack you. She's got some really great information in that video. Thank you for that, Crystal. So it says, Darla, she had asked me a few questions when she was starting out her channel, and I was trying to help her out. So then she ended up sending me something to thank me for that. You didn't have to, but oh boy, I appreciate it. So it says, card, this says thanks. She wrote, please enjoy your gifts. Then she said, Mrs. Darla, how can I thank you enough for everything you have done for me? Over the last couple of days, you have made me cry in joy and happiness. Such a support is a wonderful thing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Crystal Hayes at Crystal's Cool Stuff. Oh, it was my pleasure helping you. I know when I first started my channel, you know, you need shout outs. You need people to let other subscribers know you're out there and things like that. And, you know, you need some little hints and tips. And, you know, a lot of people helped me. And of course I'm going to help people as well. So yeah, Crystal, it's my pleasure. And then she sent me these beautiful stitch markers. Here, let's just put up her card right here. Crochet, deco, mesh, wreaths, floral arrangements, home decor, and more. And there's her website, her Facebook. She's on Instagram. So if you want to screenshot this, and check her out, by all means. I'm sure she would love that and appreciate it. It's Crystal's Cool Stuff. And so let's take a look at these stitch markers she sent me. Oh, and she sent me a candy. I love these little organza bags. I always keep them. And it's called Sweet Stripes Soft Peppermint Candy, all natural peppermint. It says Bob's. Oh, yes, I'm going to enjoy that. I was saving it to show you guys. All right, so these are the stitch markers that she told me she made. Because I asked her, did you make these when I emailed her? Yes, she did. Look how gorgeous these are. There's a little sheep, and there's beautiful, beautiful beads. There's a measuring tape, beautiful beads, and then a skein of yarn and a beautiful bead. Thank you so, so much, Crystal. I love them. Absolutely love them. Thank you so much. And then she had shown a yarn haul on her channel. And I'm pretty sure this was the yarn that I told her that I was really liking. And she sent it to me. Isn't that sweet of her? Oh my goodness, I didn't expect that at all. I often say, you know, I like this one the best, or this is my favorite, or whatever, and I don't expect people to send them to me. So, thank you so much, Crystal. Look at these gorgeous colors. And it's sparkly. I don't know if it's showing up right on my camera, but this is kind of a softer blue, and then there's white. This is kind of a greenish, not greenish, well, bluish green, and that's more greenish to me, and this is kind of gold. It's all sparkly, gorgeous. And this is Yarn Bee. We cannot get Yarn Bee in Canada. Oh, they do not ship to us. I believe it's from Hobby Lobby, right? And look at the price, $1.49 she paid for this. That is a deal and a half. Awesome job there, Crystal. And this is Sugar Wheel Cotton Sparkle Jenny's Galoshes. It's 335 yards, a 5-ounce ball. That's a lot, 335 yards. It's a light 3. And let's see, what else does it say on here? Suggested knitting needles is 4 millimeter. Crochet hook is 4.5 millimeter. And what else do we... It's 97% cotton, 3% metallic polyester, and that metallic would be the little sparkles in there. They're so pretty, and they're like kind of a greenish sparkle. Oh, I'm not sure now, but there's sparkles throughout it. It is gorgeous. Thank you so much. I almost started working with this on the weekend. I have a lot of crochet items on the go right now. I don't normally like to have like several whips, but that happened. That happened. So I thought of making, you know, something beautiful with this, of course, on the weekend, and I decided, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna show it to you guys intact. This is regular $5.99. That will be American dollars. So $1.49. Oh man, excellent deal. Thank you so much, Crystal. I really appreciate this, and I appreciate everyone that sent me Happy Mail and who are you know, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate every one of you who watch my videos and click like and everything. So thank you so, so much. And I am going to show you some FOs, finished crochet objects, and possibly some whips, and yeah, that'll be the next video. All right, thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.